Let's go on a safari, come along with me. We'll meet some wild animals, just wait and see. First there's a lion with a mighty roar, and the elephant stomping you can't ignore. Wild, wild animals, oh what a sight. Jump and dance with all your might. Wild, wild animals, let's all sing. Join the fun, hear the jungle ring. With stripes is sneaking through the trees, while the tall giraffe is munching on the leaves. Pandas love to cuddle, they're so fluffy and round. Wild, wild animals, oh what a sight. Jump and dance with all your might. Wild, wild animals, let's all sing. Join the fun, hear the jungle ring. Zebras with their stripes black and white. Koalas in the trees sleeping through the night. Monkeys swinging high, playing in the sun. And the cheetah runs fast, oh what fun. Wild, wild animals, oh what a sight. Jump and dance with all your might. Wild, wild animals, let's all sing. Join the fun, hear the jungle ring. Jungle ring.
To create a video like the one that you have just watched, you're going to start off by heading over to ChatGPT, and inside ChatGPT you're going to type the following prompt: generate a list of 10 wild animals living on land that kids love, and you're going to hit enter. You can see that ChatGPT has listed for us 10 wild animals living on land, and according to ChatGPT, these are the animals that kids love. The second step is to generate the lyrics for our song, and to do that again you're going to type the following prompt on ChatGPT: generate the above into a music format for kids, make it friendly, fun and engaging, and hit enter. ChatGPT has gone ahead to generate beautiful lyrics for our song. It's generated a total of 2 verses and choruses together with a bridge. From here, we are going to generate a title for this song. And again, we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a title for the song that it has generated. So I've typed the following prompt: generate the title for the above song, and I'm going to hit enter. ChatGPT has generated for us a title for our song: Wild Safari Dance, Fun with Jungle Friends. I think it's a really good title for this song. The next thing is to ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts that we're going to use to generate images for our video. I've typed the following prompt on ChatGPT: generate image prompts for the song above. Hit enter, and let's give time for ChatGPT to generate for us some beautiful image prompts. And you can see that ChatGPT has generated for us image prompts that you're going to use to generate images. From here, we are going to generate our song. And to do that, you're going to use an AI tool called Suno AI. So head over to Suno AI. This is how the homepage of Suno AI looks like. From here, you're going to click on create, and it's going to ask to create an account. I'm going to create an account using my Google account, and there we have it. From here, we can go ahead and create our song. To do that, we're going to turn on this custom button right there, and right inside here we are going to input the lyrics that we just generated from ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and copy the song that we just generated, paste it right inside this text box here, and you can see that we are within the number of words that you're supposed to generate. The limit is 3,000 words. Delete what is not necessary. Verse 1, chorus. Verse 2, chorus, bridge. Once you're done with that, we are going to input the style of the music. Type in anything, or you can use the suggestions that Suno AI has for us. I'm going to type the style that I would want for this music: guitar and a male voice. From here, we are going to enter the title of our song. ChatGPT already generated for us the title for this song. We are going to copy this title paste it right inside here. Once you're good with that, you're going to come over here and you're going to click on create. Let's give Suno AI a few seconds for it to generate our song. And our song is ready. Let's listen into the song that Suno AI has just generated for us.
Let's go on a safari, come along with me. We'll meet some wild animals, just wait and see. First there's a lion with a mighty roar, and the elephant stomping you can't ignore. Wild, wild animals, oh what a sight. Jump and dance with all your might. Wild, wild animals, let's all sing. Join the fun, hear the jungle ring. The tiger whistle.
Sounds really good. Let's listen into these other ones.
Let's go on a safari, come along with me. We'll meet some wild animals, just wait and see. First there's a lion with a mighty roar, and the elephant stomping you can't ignore. Wild, wild animals, oh what a sight. Jump and dance with all your might. Wild, wild animals, let's all sing. Join the fun, hear the jungle.
Really love this one. Click on these three dots here and click on audio, and we're going to click on audio. I'm going to download an audio and not a video, and we're going to save it. Next, we're going to generate images for our song, and to do that you're going to use Leonardo AI. Or head over to Leonardo AI and you're going to simply sign in. It's so easy to sign into Leonardo AI. From here, we're going to choose the number of images that you'd want Leonardo AI to generate for us. The more the images, the more the tokens it's going to use. For my case, I'm going to select 2, and I'm going to come over down here and I'm going to select the size of image that I would want Leonardo AI to generate. I'm going to stick with 16:9 aspect ratio. Select the model that you'd want for our images. I'm going to pick on one of these. Pick on us. I'm going to stick to Leonardo style, and I would want to add a negative prompt. I'm going to turn it on. From here, I'm going to input a prompt that you're going to use to generate the image. We will head over back to ChatGPT and we're going to copy the prompts that ChatGPT gave us. Let's copy the first one and I'm going to tweak it a little bit. I have added the style that I would want Leonardo AI to generate the image in. I've just typed in Pixar 3D animation style, Disney style. And my negative prompt is going to be deformed legs, deformed eyes, deformed hands for the kids. And once you're good, just confirm that your aspect ratio is still the same. So we are going to stick with 16:9 since you're generating an image that you're going to use to create a video. And when you feel that everything looks okay, you're going to click on generate. You can see that our images look really good. Okay, let's copy the next prompt that we got from ChatGPT and we're going to paste it right inside this text box. Just confirm again that your aspect ratio is still the same and you're going to click on generate. It looks really good. You can see our elephant right there. It looks really awesome. Let's continue generating our images. Go ahead and generate all your images using the different prompts that you got from ChatGPT. All our images have now been generated, and from here we're going to download these images. Something that you need to do as you download the images is ensure that you name your images quite well so that it will be very easy once you get to the final stage of editing. You're going to click on an image and you're going to click on this download icon right here. From there you can save your image in your machine. From here we're going to convert the images that we just downloaded from Leonardo. To do that, you're going to use an AI tool called LumaLabs AI. Log into LumaLabs AI and it's going to prompt you to sign in. And once you have signed in, you're going to click on this picture icon right here and you're going to upload the images that you just downloaded. You're going to add a description on what you'd want your image to emulate and you're going to click on enter. And let's give Luma Labs a few minutes to generate our creation. You can see that Luma AI has generated some beautiful creations. We can preview and get to look at some of them. Look at this lion right here. It looks stunning. It looks so realistic. Let's look at this other one as well. So these are zebras. They look really good. And this is a tiger. Awesome. So Luma AI seems to be really good in terms of converting your images into videos. There are some other tools out there that you can equally use. You can use LumaLabs, but I think Luma Labs is really good. Once you're done animating all your images, you're going to download these videos, and to do that, you're going to click on download and you will save your video. Ensure that you properly name your video so that when you get to the last step of editing the video, it's going to be very easy. Once you're done downloading all your animated images, we will head over to the last step where we're going to edit the entire video. And to do that, you're going to use Canva. Head over to canva.com and you're going to click on create a design. And we're going to create a YouTube video 1920 by 1080 pixels. Once you have a blank Canva like this one, you're going to come over here to your extreme left and you're going to click on uploads. Click on upload files and you will upload the videos that you just downloaded from. All our videos have now been uploaded onto Canva. Next, I'm going to upload the song that we just downloaded from Suno AI. So again, I'm going to click on upload files and I'm going to upload the song from Suno AI. Our song is now right here on Canva. Next, I'm going to drag this song right here and I'm going to drop it just below this first scene. Remember, we have not inserted any videos in our first scene. All we want to do from here is to listen into this song, and it's going to guide us on the kind of videos we are going to upload to the different scenes. Let's listen into this song. Bring in that first scene and I'm going to right click it and I'm going to set the video as background. Now that we have added this first scene here, listen into this song again and it's going to guide us on the kind of scene you're going to add next.
Let's go on a safari, come along with me. We'll meet some wild animals, just wait and see.
I'm going to add this same scene right here to the second scene, reduce the timing of this second scene to this end right here. I think that looks okay. Add another scene, click on add page, and we're going to listen in again. So we're going to pick on the lion. I'm going to right click and you're going to set the image as background and you're going to listen in again.
Let's go on a safari.
Once everything looks okay and you have inserted all the different scenes, you're going to come over here and you're going to hover in between the two scenes and you're going to click on add transition. I'm going to pick on match and move, apply between all pages. Listen in again.
Let's go on a safari, come along with me. We'll meet some wild animals, just wait and see. First there's a lion with a mighty roar, and the elephant stomping you can't ignore.
You can see that it has distorted our different scenes, and all you need to do is to rearrange your scenes again so that it matches with the song, and I'm going to do just that. Once you're done with all that, you're going to come over here to share and you're going to click on download and you're going to download it as an MP4 video. Click on download and there we have it. Our beautiful video has now been downloaded. And that is it for today's video. Until next time, God bless.